Well, welcome to Nick's Projects. This is a bit of a random one because I'm actually going into hospital to have a knee operation. I've torn the ACL in my left knee, and I know this is nothing like my usual content, but I thought you might just be interested in it. So if you look in the description, you'll see a link to a video diary following my journey. Now, in other news, I do have a plan to make a lot more videos for this channel this year. So do stay subscribed, make sure your notifications are on, because I've got some pretty cool projects planned, both in the Tesla and in the camper. And I'm thinking of a complete change up this year, getting rid of both cars and maybe getting something new or a couple of things new. So yeah, watch for updates. And if you are interested in seeing me going through hospital and my recovery journey and using this cool gadget called Physiolab, which is cryotherapy for my knee, well, it might just be relevant to you or someone else you know. So yeah, I would love it if you could have a look, and even better, have a subscribe. So anyway, I'll see you again later anyway, and thanks as always for watching.